Welcome back to Mini Shorts. We're just going to be talking about the waist rail here today. So that's this piece along the bottom of the rear side window. It's really badly rusted and the lip is completely almost gone. So when we come to replace the rear quarter panel, we obviously want to have something here that we can weld it up to. So normally you'd have to buy the Heritage panel. The Heritage panel is £55, I think, something like that, for just this piece of metal. Luckily, over at M Machine, they actually make their own. You can sort of tell which of the M Machine panels generally because they come unpainted, and they're actually a really good fit. So as you can see, that almost fitted in there over the top of the other one, just very slightly catching here, but that's probably just because of that bit of weld at the end there. So what I'm going to do is just put these on, grab my angle grinder, just grind away this little bit of seam weld here, and then this is all spot welded along here, and we'll be losing the quarter panel anyway, so we'll just cut here and then cut the lip off the rear quarter panel. And then I suspect, although you can't actually see like you can there, but I think there's probably a spot weld here and here, so we'll just drill at those and then the whole thing should come away. And then what we'll do is we'll weld in the other one. So I'm just going to use a cutting disc here. I'm sure I can do this very easily. It's a bit strange being inside the car like this. I'm just going to cut them there. Try not to damage the rear panel. We might need a very small patch on that rear panel. Depends how bad it is when we get it off. Alright, speak to you in a few minutes. Right, a few minutes later, I've cut along here, and as said, drilled out the spot welds here and here, and then at the moment, just done a bit of a rough cut at this end here, and then actually this tool here, for when you can't get your angle grinder wheel right in, just to finish this little cut here, join up the two angle grinder cuts. We through? Yeah, we're through. Pretty useful thing. Can't get a hacksaw in there. Basically, there you go. It's removed. I'll jump back in a couple of seconds, show you how the other one fits. So it turns out that on the original panel there is a little flange on the end here, so that's not there on the M Machine panel. However, it is still a very good fit. So here it is in place. Got a couple of these little this is a Cleco clamp. That's a tool for putting them in place. Normally what you do is you use these ones and they go through small, I think it's 3mm holes that you've drilled, and they pull two panels together. But it also comes with these two little clips that I'm using. I'll show you that one there. So it's just sprung loaded, but it holds it tight enough. So that's holding in at this end in exactly the right place. I know because A, the overspray from when it came back from shot blast, and B, where the spot welds were. And then at the back here, if I compare it to the other one, the actual vertical is about the middle of that hole, so that lines up. It just needs a slight rotation when it gets welded in. just to about there, and then you will see a little hole there, but I've got some damage just here, so what I'll probably do is I'll just put a little plate there anyway, and then we can probably just put a little flick up on the inside of that plate and weld it to the back of this, well, waste rail, but M Machine have got a totally different name for it. But anyway, here it is. It looks like it's going to be a good piece. So yeah, thanks guys, bye.